Oh yeah, that little holder there, so you
Yeah,
can put the tablet on.
Yeah, because when you figure that works for your size and even for my size.
It works really well.
Yeah.
Okay. Short push and then long push. Turns the top. Okay, and it has full power. So we're good to go.
Put it down here.
And today I'm out here with Chris. So we're going to have some drone fun.
Some drone lessons today.
Yeah, practice a bit here by Colby Lake. And he also has one of these DJI mini drones. Oh, what's going on here? It's updating something. So we're getting ready to fly.
I've got that, I should have practiced this. I've got the, that follow software.
Oh, yeah.
But I've never used it.
You never installed it?
No. No, it's installed, but I've never used it before. I have to,
And it is alive. Ready to take off.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. I have you in my vision.
There. Okay, I'm looking. Okay. Oh, I'm way above you. Okay. Now I've got you. Okay, quick shot. Quick shot.
In the circle around.
I'm doing circle around.
One drone around the other.
Yeah. There it goes. I'm coming. I did it from a lower angle this time. All right.
Okay. And off we go. I have something I need to test.
What do you want to test?
When you
Oh, your new filters, yeah.
Now I can't remember that ratio. But you know, I would go with one of the weak ones today because it's not bright sunshine.
Oh, I just wanted to see if your camera, your camera's different.
Yeah, it's different.
See?
Yeah.
And your gimbal setup is different.
Yeah. Okay. No, that's one of the new features that they can turn all the way up. It
That's
has
why-
to cut in and
right.
all the way down.
Right, yeah, I can see that from that, yeah.
Yeah. So they have kind of changed the gimbal.
So how do you change the lens?
So here it's a little delicate. You have to hold it and then twist it. And you can take it out.
Okay, that's the whole. Oh, and that goes in the kit. Oh, that whole thing goes on.
Yeah. So what I just got on here is one of these small polarized filters. So I replaced this one with one of these new ones. And that should give more depth in the colors.
Home point updated. Take off. Home point updated.
And it's time for a battery exchange.